Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Friday, December 26, 2025. Opening brief. Hey, what's good, my travel fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in travel channel hosting, and I'm here with holiday travel tea hotter than them airport pretzels that cost $11. Let's get into it. First brief. The US flight board said, LOL, good luck. See, what had happened was. So today, winter weather really pulled up like it pays rent. Reports say over 1,000 US flights got cancelled and thousands got delayed during peak holiday travel. JetBlue and Delta were getting hit hard in the numbers. Listen, if the airport apps start looking like a breakup text, we need to talk, baby, go get snacks, charge your phone, and sit like you got sense. That gate agent ain't Santa. They can't magic a plane out the blizzard. Second brief. Aberdeen Airport said, hold my Tyre. See, what had happened was. Over in Scotland, a Loganair flight had a tire blow on the runway at Aberdeen Airport, and it caused diversions/cancellations while emergency crews handled it. Everybody got off safely. A tire bust on the runway is crazy, because the plane basically said, I'm not going to Dublin. I'm going to drama. That's not a delay, that's a whole personality switch. Third brief. Nile cruise collision, vacation turned into investigation. See, what had happened was. Egypt authorities and multiple outlets reported a collision between two Nile cruise vessels near Luxor/Esna, with one tourist reported dead and an investigation into what happened. You go on a luxury cruise thinking it's soft life, and the river said, Fast and Furious, Pharaoh edition. That's why I tell folks, the itinerary don't matter if safety ain't first. Wildcard brief. Patagonia off-grid flex, Rio Polena Lodge, where the sheep outnumber the people. See, what had happened was. Travel Plus Leisure spotlighted 11's Rio Polena Lodge in Chilean Patagonia as a deep remote stay, think big valleys, tiny towns, and the kind of quiet where your phone starts acting humble. The writer describes helicopter access to far-off glaciers/peaks, plus guided adventures like rafting, fishing, and hiking base from the lodge. That off-grid reset, where you don't lose service, you lose attitude. The Matrix can't reach you out there, only mountains and sheep with opinions. Travel tip of the day. If your trip is during weather season, pack a delay kit in your carry-on, charger plus snacks plus hoodie plus meds plus toothbrush. Because the airline might rebook you, but your stomach will never forgive you. Fourth brief. JetBlue put out a travel alert. See, what had happened was. JetBlue posted travel alerts/waivers for certain routes and dates tied to weather disruptions. Translation, if your trip is cooked, check the waiver rules before you start crying in baggage claim. JetBlue dropped that waiver like a lifeline. Don't be stubborn, use it. The Matrix loves when you pay fees out of pride. Rebook smart, keep your receipts, and save your tears for something worth it. Fifth brief. Scotland ferry trouble, South US link cancelled. Technical issue. See, what had happened was. Over in Scotland's ferry world, travelers got warned a route link was cancelled due to a technical issue. Holiday travel stays undefeated in trying folks' patience. South US link cancelled for a technical issue, and that's code for everybody breathe. Holiday travel stays undefeated at testing patience. Get comfy, charge up, snack up, and stop arguing with a ferry schedule. Sixth brief. India fog said, not today. See, what had happened was. In India, dense fog triggered cancellations and disruptions, especially for flights, including Indigo reports, and travel operations across regions. Fog said, not today, and meant it. Flights get delayed, plans get messy, and folks start pacing like they're in a soap opera. Check updates, at extra time, and don't book tight connections like you got teleport powers. Closing brief. Alright fam, stay sharp, stay blessed, and stop booking tight connections like you got teleportation powers. For quick comparisons on flights, hotels, and more, slide through breathtakinglagoon.com. One click and you're gone. Peace. Rattles out.